Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble your refurbished Herman Miller Aeron classic chair from BTOD.com. Once the chair is disassembled, I'll show you how to repackage it in the original packaging for a return. To start, use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws attaching the backrest to the frame. Once the backrest is removed, return all parts to their original bags. Then place all parts back into the box the way that they arrived. And that is how you disassemble and repackage your refurbished Herman Miller Aeron classic chair from BTOD.com. Reach out to customer service if you do have any questions on the return or the shipping label. Thanks for watching.